All right, I'm making this video more for myself and practicing some stuff than for anything else, but I ended up picking up a drone and just trying out a few things with it. Also gonna go over some updates to the JSport roof rack on the Ridgeline and then show off the NSX's new shoes. Here you can see JSport's ended up sending out hex heads for basically all of the connections to the roof rack. And that's what I'm having issues with. Also, I'm getting some weird sounds on the new Ridgeline with this thing in terms of like squeaks or kind of like rattles, even though everything's extremely tight. So one of the things that I'm going to try is putting some grease on the bottom seal of the roof rack, on the weather strip right there at the bottom. Okay, so JSport sent these hex heads out for all of the bolts, and anytime that I try and adjust the rack to try and smooth it out, make it a little bit quieter, and I have to adjust things, these just strip right out, no matter using the right head, the bit, whatever. So I picked up these in the hardware store, hoping just a regular hex head will make it a little bit better. I'm also going to take off the weather stripping and apply some Schnitzer grease. I've had this grease since I've had S2000s and the NSXs. Honda uses it for the seals, the rubber seals around the hardtop, and also in the target seals on the first gen NSX. So learned a rule of thumb, definitely use a glove, because as greasy as it gets, it kind of penetrates into your skin. So yeah, it's really great stuff. So we'll see if that helps quiet down the top.